Hi everyone, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am showing you few dupatta styling designs which you can try with your Punjabi salwar kameez or anarkalis or lehengas as well. So please continue watching the video till the end, cause in this video I am giving you so many different ideas to wear your dupatta with the plain salwar kurtis. And if you also have a plain salwar kameez with a matching dupatta, then you can try these type of styling ideas to create your traditional attire look. So please continue watching the video till the end without skipping. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.